So the next part is very romantic and easy steps, side to side, just swaying. Leaders go right, followers go left. And 1, 2. Now ladies are going to turn counterclockwise. Left step together, left step together. Easy and nice. One more time. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going back. 5, 6. Turn clockwise 7, 8. As always with the turns, men should be leading the turn, helping the partner to spin. During the counterclockwise turn, Paweł is leading the hand like sort of in between us to the center of our couple. And then we're doing steps, and while going clockwise, the hand goes outside, so Paweł is pushing away from himself. Gentlemen, when I'm going to the right side, I'm leading my hand in front of my nose. In front of my nose, turn, we're taking the steps and now away from me, far away. Few more words about the men's steps. We only have a sequence of side steps. We're going right, left, and now step, together, step. And now left, right, step, together, step. That's it. Meanwhile, I'm obviously leading the ladies' turn. So combining those two actions is gonna take some practice, but I have no doubt you're gonna manage. Now we're gonna go through the entire sequence one more time, just to be perfectly clear. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.